Hey guys, this is Abir Khan and you're watching Anik Khan. Today is day 20th of our vlog, and in this vlog I'm gonna talk about really expensive doctors living in here, Pakistan and in India. Yesterday I was talking with my elder brother and he told me that one of the doctor here charge you like 30 bucks just for consultancy, and that does not include the medicine charges and all that. And considering it a third world country, uh, the charges of doctor is really much high, because on average a person here in Pakistan and India earns around 150 bucks per month. So it is quite expensive as compared to other countries, because if you're living in United States or United Kingdom or any other country, you may have the health insurance, and which is obsolete in here. In Pakistan and in India, mostly people don't have health insurance, and most of the people don't even know what is a health insurance. So it is kind of hard for poor people, the people who are living below the standard living average living standard. So it is hard for them to get a decent treatment here in Pakistan and India. So if you are a doctor or something like that, you need to rethink about the charges you take. I know that it is the education of doctor is really expensive in all the countries, but still you need to consider the charges you take. So that's all I was thinking to talk about in this video. So make sure to leave a comment and subscribe to Anik Khan. Take care. Goodbye.